Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. And I told y'all the other day that I needed to show y'all my thrifting finds. Well, this is one of them that we're going to do tonight. I got this for $3.99 and it is heavy, y'all. So what I'm going to do with this find is I'm going to paint it because I don't know if you can tell on video, but it's kind of like a peachy color, not my color. So I'm going to paint it with some Waverly chalk paint in the color plaster. Y'all can see that. So I'm just going to use one of these little foam brushes to just brush this chalk paint on here. So I'm just going to paint this with my chalk paint. I'm going to go all the way around. And when you're working with chalk paint, you don't have to do like a real thick coat. Just do, a normal coat and then let it dry. And the bottom of it kind of has a rusty look, so I'm not gonna paint that part because I like that. The other cool thing about chalk paint is if you get to it before it's dry, it'll wipe right off. All right, y'all, I'm almost done with this first coat. That was quick. Okay. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to dry this real quick. I think that's good, dried good enough. All right, so I need a second coat for sure. So I am going to put a second coat on it real quick. And the second coat always goes quicker than the first. I don't know why, but they seem to. When I get done with it. All right, y'all, that's dry. Can y'all believe that's dry that fast? It's done. I'm going to take some of this Waverly Antique Wax. So, water-based wax in the color Antique. And I'm going to just take a baby wipe and just barely get some on it. Like, you don't need a lot. And I'm just going to hit the high points, or try to. Just to make it look a little rustic. I'm more of a rustic person. So I'm just going to hit all the high points on this. And then now I'm just going around the bottom and just hitting it here and there. And then I'll do these two rings here. at the top. But I just want y'all to see how easy it is that, you know, to take a thrift store find and make it into something beautiful and something that, you know, you'd be proud to have in your home for cheap. You know, you don't have to spend a lot of money to have a beautiful home. You know, save your money for the things that matter, like comfortable furniture and stuff like that. But y'all, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. With just a little bit of paint. Is that not awesome? Y'all have to give me hearts for that. I mean, that transformation is amazing. From what it was before to now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take... I got this eucalyptus garland at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take it and use it like it's a candle ring. But I don't want the whole, because it's like 9 feet long. I don't need 9 feet of it for this. So I'm just going to cut it. And then I'm just going to put it, you know, up on top of here. And then sit some little candles in here. Let me turn them on. I love my battery operated candles. Especially the ones that are on a timer. Because I can set them to where they come on, you know, in the evening after dark. But y'all, look at that. Is that not beautiful? I mean, I think that is gorgeous. So anyway, y'all have a great night. And I will talk to all y'all later. Love you guys. Bye-bye.